Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create RAR and zip archives on your OnePlus Nord CE to Lite. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our RAR app, which we've shown how to download in our other video. Now we'll need to locate the file that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. There's 3 pictures which I'm gonna pack into a RAR file. Now select each file that you want to pack and click on this plus button. Here you can choose a name for this archive. I'm gonna call it pictures. You can change the extension for this file, so you can pick it to be RAR or zip. You can also set the password for this archive. I'm gonna do it and keep it very simple, 1, 2, 3. You can show the password if you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, and encrypt the file names if you want as well. Now click OK. Here you can delete files after archiving or create solid archive. These options are optional, so you don't need to enable or disable them. Now let's move to advanced, and here you can see more advanced settings. In the options there's more options, and in the comment sections you can leave any comment about this RAR file. Now click OK, and that way we'll pack the pictures that RAR. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.